If I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would.
Hey guys, it's Joy Itohan once again. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please subscribe if you haven't. And in today's video, guys, I have a wig review from Irresistible Me. They sent their front lace human wig in 24 inches chocolate brown. I have never had a brown wig before, and the color is so beautiful. And this is what it looks like. And they also kept in this lace, this head cap in the box. And as you can see, this just give details about their brand and also some hair tips. They're all on the box, so you can just have a better understanding on how to care for your hair better. So this is what the wig looks like. It's amazing. I love the length. The only thing I would say though is that it's not super full. It's not the fullest wig, but I know there are people that love their wigs not so full. Okay, so it's still fine. And it is a lace front, guys. I have never ever in my life installed a frontal before, so guys, this is going to be a challenge for me. So looking inside the wig, as you can see, the wig didn't really come plucked. It came a little plucked, but not as much as I would like it to be. And inside the wig, it has these 4 combs at the top, at the bottom, and also at the sides. And also I would have loved it came with like an extra band for extra security. I can see it only had 1 band, but which is still also fine. We can work with that. So this is what the frontal looks like. The frontal looks good. It doesn't look too bad, but I think I would just tweeze it just a little bit. Okay, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So guys, I am done plucking the frontal, and now this is just my hair in cornrows, and I'm just going to use that wig cap to just protect my hair. And I also want to just slick my edges a bit, just so my edges lay down. And I will do this trick where I will just wear the wig cap and just slick back my edges just so it's pressed back. So now this is the wig here. It looks amazing, and I'm just going to use my scissors to cut this lace at the back just so we can prep the front lace. So I will just tint the frontal a bit because it wasn't bleached. I wish it was, but it wasn't bleached, so I'm just using my powder to just tint that a bit, and I will just wear that. Okay, so guys, this I'm just going to wear this frontal as a glueless wig. I'm not using those glue, but I will just lay it down a bit using this got to be glue. So I'll just use that to lay down my frontal. I don't have like a hair wax, so I'm just spraying this got to be on the hair just to slick down all those flyovers. Okay, and now I will be cutting out just the lace around my ear, and I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. So guys, I'm just using this got to be glue to just lay the frontal on my hair just a bit, just temporarily. I don't want like a very strong glue on my hair because you all know I'm protecting my edges. Okay, so time for me to just straighten this wig. I'm applying this heat protector, and now I'm just going to straighten the whole of the wig and get back to you, okay? So guys, I am done straightening the wig, and now I just want to cut off this lace. The got2b did a good job. It felt laid on my head, so I'm just going to cut off this lace, and then after cutting the lace, I will then use the got2b glue again to just melt the lace on my head better, okay? So guys, now I'm just going to lay the head down once again, and guys, the frontal was way better this time. It melted amazingly, okay? So now I'm just going to do my center part and also use my hot comb to just lay the head down. And guys, that is it. The hair is nice. I love the hair so much. I love the color, most especially brown on my skin. It looks good. And guys, let me know, rate my frontal skills for the first time. So guys, now I'm just going to use my powder to just make the center part more visible. I'm using my powder for this, and guys, we're done. The hair is amazing. The only thing I would say is that I would prefer the hair to be a bit more fuller, but it's still very fine. It works. And yeah, that's just it. I love the color so much on my skin, and I know you can also coil the hair. The texture feels very nice. The texture is very soft. That's one thing I love about the hair. Once you put your hands in this hair, you won't want to take it out, okay? So I'm just going to use this claw clip to just pack the hair up, and I can say that style is amazing, guys. If I'm going to wear this hairstyle again, this is how I'm going to wear it, okay? So guys, thank you so much for staying by, and that's it about this video. I have the link to this hair and the link to the Irresistible Me website in the description box, and I also have a 10% discount, okay? So just go to the description box. You would find the discount code. Just go on their website, purchase any hair extension you want, and don't forget to use the discount code to give yourself a 10% off, okay? And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.